Spice is in celebratory mode as her latest single, Godong Day, is currently #1 on the US iTunes chart. Spice's song Godong Day, a collab with dancehall superstars Shaggy and Sean Paul, was released on Friday and in 24 hours was #1 on the charts. The song is also #2 on the iTunes Reggae charts in Canada and the UK. The video is currently #1 trending on YouTube. An elated Spice took to the gram over the weekend to share the news with her fans.
Let's see what I go right there, so. iTunes top 100 reggae songs. Oh, watch that, so. Me just scroll. A grace it is? No, man. A little grace it is? #1. Godong Day, featuring Sean Paul and Shaggy. And then I go up on YouTube right in America, and my song they pan trending in the US, and my song the #1 pan trending in Jamaica. You can't tell me so I'm not go on with myself. I'm not excited.
The Queen of Dancehall was active all weekend as she shared videos from her official launch for Godong Day in the ATL and made a special announcement.
My album is coming out soon. It's called Big up Sean Paul and Shaggy. This song is called Godong Day.
And the weekend would not be the same without another trending event. Fame Frequency Old School was an epic musical journey as the Captain Colin Hines and TJ Narrative from Fame 95 FM were joined by the round-robin mix master Donovan Dakers from Radio Jamaica 94 FM.
As we move, let's go. Fame Frequency.
Hold on.
We don't stop crying. We all black woman no. Respect all the girl them with dark complexion. But
Sure.
we stop crying. We all black woman.
Please remember to drink responsibly.
Fame Frequency also saw actress, dance and host Nisha Yen making her debut as host of the show, much to the delight of the fans who were in awe of her dancing skills.
It was absolutely amazing. I had so much fun. I forgot actually I was here to host and not to dance. So I just kept dancing with a storm. The dancers were amazing. The DJs was amazing. Even the Zoomers were doing a bag of things. I had so much fun. So amazing. I cannot wait to do it again. Wink, wink.
As the over 17,000 fans partied, they were also encouraged to donate to a worthy cause, the Holy Childhood Tablet per Child campaign, which will remain active for donations. Party with a cause. Nice touch.